So hello my dear students. So once again with another new video. So today we will discuss mathematics of standard 10, that is exercise 1.1, real number. So we will do all the sums from the beginning. Today we will start with exercise 1.1. What is 1.1? You have to find out the HCF of the given number, that is 135 and 225, as a method using Euclid's division algorithm. Once when you heard the word Euclid, immediately you have to start a formula, that is A is equals to BQ plus R. In my previous video, I have already explained you regarding this. So today we will solve the problems where A and B are some integers. Q is quotient, R is remainder. So we have to find out the HCF of 135 and 225 with the help of this formula. See, A and B are some integers. Let A be any positive integers, B be also positive integer. Then immediately you have to see that A should be greater than B. A must be always greater than B. So in the given number, so obviously 225 is greater than 135, isn't it? So the greater value will be of A and the another one will be the value of B. So according to this formula, instead of A, we will write 225 is equals to B. We have 135. Now we have to find out what will be the quotient and remainder. So to find out the quotient and remainder, we have to go for rough work. What is rough work? We will just divide 225 by 135. See, 135 2s are 270, so it's so we will go for 1 then. 135, 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 3 is 9. So what we got? See, 90 is less than 135. So this should be always the quotient, this remainder should be always smaller than B. That is also a useless formula. So 135 into 1 plus 90, because 90 is remainder and quotient is 1. Again we will go further. So in these two number, the greater number is 135. So 135 will be the value for A. So 135 again, 90 into Q. Again what is Q? Again we will go for here. Bring it 135. What happens? 92 is 180. Obviously it is greater. So we will go for 90 ones are 90. You see, 45 will be remainder. So 90 into 1 plus 45. Now, again in this two number 90 is greater. So 90 is equals to 45. Again we will see. So we have to go this till until unless the remainder is 0. We have to go. जब तक 0 नहीं आएगा तब तक हमको इसको करते जाना है. ठीक है. So again we will bring it this 90 here. So obviously 45 2s are 90. 45 2s are 90. So here we got 0. So 45 into 2 plus 0. So here we got 0. So this 45 is the answer. So HCF of 135 and 225 is equals to 45. This is the answer. Alright. So we have done this with the Euclid's division algorithm. Okay. So copy it. So we will go for the question number 2.